Hi everyone, it's Lauren from Single Barrel Soaps, and today I am working on the January 2020 Soap Challenge Club Challenge. So this month the challenge is to make a landscape soap, and it is guest hosting, I guess you would say, Belinda Williams from Love Your Suds, and I love her. Her landscapes, all of her soaps are amazing. They're gorgeous. They're so detailed. They're so wonderful. So she did write the tutorial for this, and I'm gonna give it a shot. This is my inspiration picture. It's covered in glitter because I covered the little sun in glitter, so it's everywhere. But my sister-in-law actually took this, I think it's a sunrise, on a beach vacation we were on down at Ocean City, Maryland. So I thought this would be a really fun one to do. Now, I got a lot going on in this. Here's my notes. So I think I have 3 In the Pot swirls going on, an embed, bunch of layers. So I am not going to be talking during this video because I am going to have to concentrate. And honestly, if I talk through this whole thing, it'd probably be an hour-long video. So let's get started. We are back to cut the landscape soap, and I'm so excited and nervous to cut this. I'm gonna show you just a reminder. This is the picture I'm gonna try to do, and I actually did, I'm not gonna worry about the people in there, it's fine. But I did buy a little bird stamp that I'm very excited about. So, okay, let's cut this. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think I lined everything up right. And I'll have some large end samples, but I think that'll be fine. And the embed that I put in here for the sun is cold process soap, so I can use my multi-bar cutter. Okay, I'm very nervous. Okay, all right. Should we do an end? Should we do a middle? Let's do a middle. Let's try the middle. Okay, all right. Oh. Ooh, aha, those were not mixed in well enough. That is annoying. So I will rub that a little bit. But okay, let's take a look. All right, it's not terrible. I'm really irritated that this was not in enough, but I'm gonna suck it up. I think it's fine. All right, so looking at this, I think you get the general design, I think, pretty well. I think I got the colors pretty well. I'm gonna add the little bird in. The sun could obviously have been much smaller, but I like the sand. I really love, let's see, this is an In the Pot Swirl, this is an In the Pot Swirl, and this is an In the Pot Swirl. So I really, oh, that looks better. Oh, and it actually is picking up a little bit of the gold. I had rolled the column mold, the sun, in some gold eco glitter, and look, it is picking that up a little bit. All right, okay, cool. Let's see what else we have. Oh, all right, so I like these, and I'll clean up the edges. I do like this. I think this broke that layer. I kind of did feel that happen. But I think for my first try doing a landscape, we'll just call it an abstract landscape. I mean, this is actually pretty crisp, which is shocking for me. These could have been smaller. All right, I'm gonna stop picking apart my work. Oh, yay! We have some where everything is pretty mixed in. Oh, I like this one. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I like this, and I did make this with one batch of soap. I think I was reading on our Facebook group that there were people doing, this would be an awesome sample. This will just be like a mirror image. Like little batches at a time for each layer, and I just don't have patience for it. I really should, but I think it's good. Okay, it's growing on me. And it smells amazing, so that's great, and it'll get you clean, so it's pretty much all you can ask for. Oh, that is a bummer that that broke through that layer. But that's okay. I really like that in the pot swirl. All right, ooh. I'm just gonna clean that off. And I mean, honestly, it's just the same as having mica on the top, or mica drizzle. It'll just rinse off. It's just driving me a little crazy. So that wasn't in there. I think that got caught something. And then I will shave the edges. Okay, I'm just making a mess. And then hope to get some good photos for my website and for the challenge club. All right, so I'm gonna clean some of this up. Oh, but I like it. And then I will come back to put the little birdie stamp on because I want to mimic the picture. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I decided to try it out on my sample bars first. Now I'm trying to get, let's see, this little guy. So I actually found a little stamp, and so this is just a stamp that came in this little kit, and I have a plastic, I guess, a mat that it goes to, so it makes it easier to put the actual stamp in. So I took a little, one of those corn reusable containers, a recyclable, and I took Steelworks, right? Yeah, I think. I'll write all the colors down below. And I put it with some rubbing alcohol, and I'm just gonna paint the stamp. I'm not sure, this is why I'm trying the sample ones first. I'm just gonna paint the stamp, nice liberal amount. I'm trying to get that bird outline from the picture. So let's try it here first. We're just gonna go in the upper right corner and press. Okay, that went in really deep. But Oh, okay, that is awesome. All right, so I would just need to clean up the time. Oh, I remember what I did last time with these. Ha! Change of plans. All right, what I did last time, because I did custom stamps for a baby shower. Let me get a paper towel. All right, don't you love when I'm completely doing stuff off the cuff? And it's always an experience. I'm gonna take this guy off. I'm gonna clean this off, and now I'm gonna clean this one up. So what I did before, and I just remembered it, to make it an even thing, I make the indent first, and then I go back and I paint it. So let's try this again. I think this, no, that's the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's what I want. All right, so let's move this over here. Pull up my gloves a little bit. All right, so I'm still just doing it in the same kind of orientation with this one. I guess I should do it with the other side. But I want to know for the bigger bars. So I'm gonna press this in. The soaps are still pretty soft. Let's see, I didn't want to press that hard. All right, have that in there. So now I'm gonna take my paintbrush. There we go. This way it gets a little smoother look. And then that'll be good to go. All right. Just trying to get all the little feather things and that I can just wipe off. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah, you can clearly see the difference between the two. This is messy, uneven. This one's a little bit, I'll have to keep working on it, but much more even. Oh, I love this. And then what I'm gonna do, I'll keep recording through my stamping, but this is gonna be a little tedious. So once I get these all stamped, I'm gonna pick my 3 or 4 favorites that I wanna use to get some photos of. But the ones that I don't get the photos of, I'm actually, because these are the sample bars, I'll show you on the sample bars. I'm gonna take my miniest, my tiniest little barrel stamp, and I'm going to line up in the middle of the little sun. Because I mean, I can't, there we go, I can't have my soaps without a barrel stamp. I mean, come on. Oh, awesome. So that's what they'll look like. And I like that, it's got a little still shimmer on there. I love this, I'm really happy with this. Awesome. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna line everyone up. Get that, and I'll just speed this part up because I'm going to be focusing. But, all right, let's get to it. So I'm just... Okay, I am gonna keep going. I have 4 more bars to do, and I'm gonna keep just trudging along, but honestly, it's the same thing. I think it'll get a bit tedious. And I know, I'm sure, especially from watching Belinda's videos, her tutorials, I know she would add a little more some places to really take it to the next level. But honestly, I'm kind of worried about just messing them up. So I think this is what my bar is gonna look like. I'm really happy, it was my first try. Obviously there's always stuff that I would go back and tweak, but I'm super pumped. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you can tell kind of it's the same picture, so I'm gonna go with that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about how I did this, please leave me a comment down below. Or if you just want to tell me what you think, please let me know. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I will see you guys later. Have a great day.